Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos. And I just want to show you where I'm at so far. I got this decaled, cleared, and camouflaged. Just got to do the landing gear and the propellers on that. And then this one, I was working on this earlier, and I got the decals on it. And I was also the decals were drying as the glue was drying, so um, that one's getting close. And then I decided I would start this Jeep. I'll show you what I got so far. Not real big yet, but got the suspension, and rear axle put together so far. And let me see what else we got put together. Don't have anything on the sticks yet, but got the engine put together. And just got to paint the fan belts. So this is mainly going to get green anyway, so I'm in kind of a green kick, so working on that one also. And just gonna lay those parts right there. So those, when I get back to all this stuff, um, y'all will see what I've been working on. And just thought I'd leave you right there. And I want to thank everybody for watching all my videos. And the other issue I got right now is I gotta make a spot to put all these, plus the bigger planes that will be getting built later on the channel, and move these out guys also, so I can put those in a better spot. So, but right now, that's what I got for you right now. And let me see what else. Yeah, I think that's about it right now. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. All right, bye.